In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take partial profit in TradingView. When you're trading, you don't always want to close your entire position at once. Sometimes you want to lock in some profit, reduce your risk, but still leave a portion of your trade running in case the price continues in your favor. That's exactly what partial profit or partial close allows you to do. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to access the right panel in TradingView, how to find your open position, and how to use the partial close option to close only part of that trade. First, look at the bottom of your TradingView chart where the trading panel is. If you don't see your positions and orders, there's usually a small arrow or handle at the bottom of the screen. Click on that arrow to open the trading panel. This panel is where TradingView shows your open positions, orders, account history, and other trading information connected to your broker. Once that panel is open, navigate to the tab labeled Positions. Go ahead and click on Positions. This is where you'll see a list of all your active trades, including the symbol, size, entry price, and current profit or loss. Make sure you identify the specific position you want to take partial profit on. On the right side of that positions row, you'll see an X icon. This is normally used to close the position. Click on that X. Don't worry, you're not forced to close the entire trade immediately. Clicking the X will open a confirmation window where you can adjust how much of the position you want to close. In the confirmation window, look for an option labeled Partial Close or a checkbox beside that text. Click on the box beside Partial Close to enable it. Once it's checked, you'll be able to specify the size you want to close. You can usually choose a specific quantity or a percentage of the position. For example, you might decide to close half of your position to secure some gains while keeping the rest open. Take a moment to double check the amount so you don't accidentally close more than you intend. After you've set the partial size, review the details one more time. The instrument, the amount you're closing, and any other information shown. When you're happy with everything, click on Close Position. TradingView will then execute a partial close, locking in profit or loss on that portion, while the remaining part of your trade stays open on the chart and in your Positions tab.